Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll learn how to bisect an angle, how to draw a perpendicular from any point, and how to trisect and right angle. So we'll do all these three sums in one video. So first we will bisect an angle. So we'll draw any angle. Let's take 45 degree angle. With set square I will draw 45 degree. This is point O. Now from point O we'll take any radius and we'll draw one arc. Let's say this is A and B. Now you can maintain the same radius or you can change. Draw another arc from A and maintain the same radius and from B. So what you got? You got point P, intersection point. Now when you draw O to P, right, draw a line passing through OP. So that is a bisection. So we have divided angle into two parts. Now how to draw perpendicular from a point O? So for that, from point O you draw any arc. See, like this, maintain the same radius. Then from here you draw arc like this. Again you draw arc like this. You can name this as 1, 2, 3. Remember, same radius. Cut. Then from 2 you draw one radius, and from 3 we'll draw another radius wherever they intersect, right? So from there we can draw a line, see, this way, passing through O. So this is perpendicular. Now how to trisect a right angle? First I'm drawing a right angle with set square. This is 90 degree. I want to trisect, that means I want to divide into three parts. So first I will draw radius. First I will draw radius, maintain the same radius. Keep the radius same. This is A, B. Now from A, see, you take this radius, from A you cut on this side, and from B you cut on this side. See, this way. On the same arc, you'll get point 1 and 2. Now we draw a curve passing through O2 1. Now we draw a line passing through O1 and O2. So you got trisection. That means you divided 90 degree into three parts. Thank you.